Hello everyone, welcome back, Crypto Jackie here. Welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I would like to talk about the price of Bitcoin because recent few days has been a bit harsh, to be honest, for the whole crypto space and especially for the king of all crypto, especially for Bitcoin, of course. I would like to explain to you why I think that this breakdown to the downside was actually more probable than the break up to the upside. We would like to think about what can happen next. Yeah, we will give you my, I will give you my predictions. Also, I would like to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. In my view, it's really worth taking a look because it looks like that something big can be really around the corner for all the altcoins. So yeah, stay with me, guys. And yeah, let's go straight into the chart of Bitcoin. And as you can see, at the 2 days ago, at the 5th of January, we had a big dump, pretty significant dump, let's say, not that big one, but yeah, it was significant enough that it, let's say, was really fearful for a lot of traders. A lot of weak hands have basically sold their assets when the price dumped. And what I would like to point here in this chart is that there was a really strong pattern we could follow here, and doing that, you can see that there is a descending triangle. Yeah, this is like the side with the most important, let's say, patterns when it comes to stock markets or crypto markets or any other types of trading. And as you can see, the descending triangle is a pretty simple chart with pretty big probability. And as you can see, descending triangle is an opposite of ascending triangle. The descending triangle represents a bearish market downtrend. The support line is horizontal and the resistance line is descending, signifying the possibility of a downward breakout. Yeah, and just the same happened to Bitcoin. As you can see here, we've got a descending triangle here, and if we measure here, because that's just like how we should do it, the price target of this descending triangle would be approximately $40,000, and this is the line we drew like a few weeks ago, I guess. This yellowish one. So as you can see, the price target is still around $40,000, and the future will tell if this will turn out to be true. But yeah, according to this pattern, the price target is $40,000. So if you think, for instance, about buying some crypto right now, because it might be a good opportunity to buy cheap crypto, you can basically wait for another dump here, because from what I see, there will be some resistance here where we have our previous support. So it's a price target of approximately, let me be more precise here. Yes, it's approximately 40 to 500. Now we are testing it as a possible resistance point. So if we are going to be rejected here, then there is a huge chance that we will be supported here in the area of around $40,000. So yeah, basically, I'm standing on the sidelines here. It's not a big of a surprise to us that the price go lower. I told you guys in the previous videos that it's really probable that we will have a double bottom. If not here, then maybe here. If not here, then the next big, in my opinion, support will be in also really strong psychological level is 30k. But yeah, like waiting for 30k is yeah. If it happens, good for you because you probably bought the bottom. But if not, then yeah, the opportunity just left, yeah, and you didn't grab it. So yeah, you might regret. Yeah, but no matter what you do, it's your plan. So I'm just telling you what I see in the chart, and what I see is like that we can expect further like move to the downside. Yeah, and my price target for this dump is around 40k. If we see like a bigger recovery here, so if the price will go like this, yeah, we need to check if the previous like the previous support here, yeah, will turn into resistance. And if we had like a bigger move to the upside here, retest it as support then, yeah, and go further up, then we can expect a move like this. Yeah, but we will see. I would wait for 40k, and then yeah, it's a really good time to DCA in my opinion. What I can also tell you guys is that a lot is happening actually in the Bitcoin dominance chart. It might not look that impressive to you at first glance, but trust me, it is. What you can see here is that Bitcoin is really close to the same breakdown to the downside as it happened with the price of Bitcoin, actually, because in this chart we have a descending triangle as well. So you can follow this pattern as well. And as you can see, the price approximately the dominance would fall to around 30%, and it would be like extremely low dominance, which might suggest that that altcoin season is around the corner actually, and you should look at altcoins no matter what happens with Bitcoin, basically, because you can have like a month of really huge profits in altcoins. It happened in the past that we had really strong altcoin seasons, and yeah, it might happen this time as well. Yeah, so let's observe Bitcoin dominance chart. Now it's at the crucial point because it's retesting like a very strong support that, yeah, it was like in play basically for a really long time. Let me draw this line to you guys. Yeah, and as you can see here, it was a massive support. Yeah, so let's see what happens. But if this is if this breaks down to the downside, I expect a big profits when it comes to altcoins. So you should definitely keep an eye on the altcoin market. Yeah, it was a bit a shorter video this time. Basically, what we need to do is observe what's happening with Bitcoin. Basically, what's happening with the Bitcoin's dominance chart, because if it breaks to the downside, then yeah, like you should basically look for some cheap altcoins and DCA a bit in that space. If there is a big bounce here, so we would like something like like this basically. So we break this descending triangle to the upside, which is less probable, but still it can be easily done here, because crypto space is really unpredictable and everything can happen. But what TA basically teaches us is that it's less probable. So I give you more probable scenario, and it is break to the downside. So yeah, we will see what happens, but yeah, definitely a really nice time to be looking into the charts, to have some USDT on the side, because yeah, there might be a big chance of having a lot of profits in the near future, in my opinion. So yeah, that's it from me for today. If you like this video, please smash up the like button. You can also hit the subscribe button. It will be extremely nice to see that more and more people enjoy those videos. And yeah, I see you guys in the next one. Bye.